Hello friends, Bill the Bald Eagle here, part of the True Blue Quilts team, and we are so excited to be taking off for the Flyway Puzzle Mystery Quilt with Cotton Cuts. Get ready for clue number 1. Cotton Cuts pre-cuts all of their kits, so the package arrives on your doorstep and you're ready to sew. You do want to grab the color chart pamphlet that came along with your mystery quilt so that you get all of the pieces in the right place. As you can see, we have triangles in several different colors. The squares are different colors, and that's going to make a difference later on. So you can always find your clue in the evidence locker, and if you need help with that, just reach out to the Cotton Cuts team and they will get you all set. We are starting off really easy with a basic half square triangle and then attaching that to one of our smaller squares. Repeat that process with some different colors and join them together. Now we have a parallelogram. So interesting seeing how this comes together. And we put those components together. Now we have a star point or maybe a feather looking part of the design. So interesting seeing how the mystery unfolds. Moving on to those larger squares, we are making square in a square. So we'll sew triangles on opposite sides and then repeat the process so you have all 4 corners with triangles attached. And we join that square in a square to our star point unit. Keep everything lined up by inserting a pin in the square in a square block right where those triangle points meet. That way your block will come out nice and even and square and you won't lose any of those points. Oops, time to call on Jack. I did not grab the right triangles for this color square. Again, keep that color chart handy and make sure you know which of your fabrics are A, B, C, and D. Okay, I finally got all those triangles in the right place, and these 2 square in a square units pair up. The mystery deepens. Join everything together, and we are finished with clue 1. I'm making the small Flyway in the Odyssey colorway. These neutrals are gorgeous. I really love this combination of prints, and I can't wait to see how the mystery unfolds. Are you intrigued by this mystery? You can join the fun and put your detective skills to the test. Sign-ups are open for Flyway, the Spring Puzzle Mystery Quilt from Cotton Cuts. You can join in until April of 2025.